Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Research Methodology by Kiran. I am Kiran Malik. I am double net qualified in Commerce and Management and currently a PhD scholar. Today's video is super important for all students, whether you are UG, PG or a research scholar. We are going to talk about something that every researcher needs to know, how to identify a research problem. रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, इसे कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, डोंट वरी, मैं आपको बिल्कुल सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाऊंगी. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम. ए रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम इज बेसिकली ए स्पेसिफिक इशू, डिफिकल्टी or gap in existing knowledge that need to be investigated. Think it like a puzzle that need to be solved. It arises in three situations. First, where there is uncertainty or confusion about something. Second, when existing explanations are not complete or adequate. Third, when a phenomenon needs deeper understanding. In simple words, a research problem is the starting point of your research. It's tell you about what to study, how to study, why to study. हम सिंपल वर्ड में देखो, बहुत सिंपल है. जब आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई कन्फ्यूजन है या कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, दैट इज ए रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम. जैसे समझो कि आप देखते हैं कि आपके कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट की अटेंडेंस कम हो रही है. अब आप सोच रहे हो ये अटेंडेंस क्यों कम हो रही है, ये एक रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम बन सकता है. यहीं से आपकी रिसर्च जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है. चलिए आइए कुछ डेफिनेशंस देखते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू R.S. Woodworth, a research problem is a situation that requires a solution through systematic investigation. This means it's not just any random question. It's need proper systematic study. According to Klinger, a research problem is a statement of difficulty or gap in knowledge that needs to be explored for better understanding. So the key point here is a research problem clearly states what is wrong, what is missing, or what is unknown, and it needs scientific examination to find answers. Not every question can become a good research problem. A good research problem should have these 6 important characteristics. Clear and precise. It should be easily understandable, no vague or confusing language. Researchable. You should be able to collect data and analyze it. Specific and focused. Don't make it too broad. For example, what is marketing is too broad. But what factor affecting digital marketing success in small businesses? That's specific. Relevant. Your research should contribute some valuable whether to theory, practice or policy. Feasible. Can you actually do that on time? Original. It should offer new insights or a fresh perspective. Types of research problem. Research problems can be classified into different types. Number 1, descriptive research problem. These focus on describing characteristics or phenomena. For example, what are the features of successful startups in India? Number 2, relational research problem. These examine relationship between two or more variables. For example, what is the relationship between study hour and exam score? Number 3, causal research problem. These identify cause and effect relationship. For example, does employee training cause improved performance? Number 4, comparative research problem. These compare two or more group, method or situation. For example, which is more effective, online learning or classroom learning? Research problems can be classified on the basis of their nature. Number 1, theoretical problem. These are related to concepts, models, or theory. They focus on building or testing theories. Number 2, applied problem. These are aimed at solving practical real world problem, more practical and industry oriented. Number 3, quantitative problem. These involve numerical data and measurement. Number 4, qualitative problem. These focus on meanings, experiences, and perception. Now, how do you actually define a research problem? It is a step by step process. Step number 1, identifying the broad area of study. First, choose your journal field, like I want to work in digital marketing. Step 2, reviewing existing literature. Read what has already been researched, check journal, books, articles. Step 3, identifying gap or unanswered questions. While reading, you will find, oh, this aspect has not been studied yet. That's your gap. Step 4, narrow down the problem, make it specific. Step 5, formulating a clear problem statement. Write it in one clear statement. Step 6, evaluating feasibility and relevance. Can you actually do it? Is it important? Check before starting. This systematic process ensure your research problem is well structured. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम डिफाइन करना इतना इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों होता है? लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई. Providing direction to your study helps in selecting appropriate research method, save time and resources, improve the quality and clarity of research, form the foundation of objectives, hypotheses, and analysis. These are the some examples of research problem, like what factor influence employee job satisfaction in the IT sector. This is specific to IT sector. Focus on job satisfaction, looking for influencing factor. Second, how does social media usage affect academic performance of university student? What is the impact of online learning on student engagement? Why do small business face challenges in adopting digital marketing strategy? These examples show that a research problem is specific, focused, and researchable. So let's conclude this topic. Remember, a research problem is the heart of any research study. Its most crucial part. अगर रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम अच्छे से डिफाइन कर लिया तो रिसर्च डिज़ाइन बेटर होगा, आपकी फाइंडिंग मीनिंगफुल होंगी और नॉलेज में भी एक्चुअल कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा. Understanding how to identify and define a research problem is absolutely essential for successful academic and professional research. Whether you are doing a dissertation, thesis, or any research project, start with a strong research problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand how to identify a research problem clearly. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना और कमेंट में बताएं आप किस टॉपिक पे रिसर्च कर रहे हैं. अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक कीप लर्निंग, कीप रिसर्चिंग. गुड बाय. थैंक यू.